Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm super excited for this one. Just got it ordered in time for our trip here to St. Louis. I also got this PNY 128GB. I'm sure you guys will say I should have got a better one. Claude said it'll check out. So let's go ahead and open this up. This one will be more of an unboxing. We'll show a little bit of the video, but we wanted to vlog a lot of the trip here. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Super excited. This one is not the creator one. This one should just be like the simple camera and a couple things that go with it. But we're excited to have it. We are upgrading from a GoPro. Alright, so as you can see, it's like some stickers there. And then your user manual. Let's see what comes in this one. So it looks like you get the little wrist strap for it, and Type-C cable. And then this is the adapter, so that way you can like put it on a tripod as I do here. So let's actually look at the cool one. Let's look at the camera. It does come with its case. Go ahead and take it out. You can see it's the case for it. Man, look at that. This is our first one of its kind, so we're excited for it. So let's go ahead and peel this off. Little display there. These buttons, looks like it's just these buttons right here. Oh, here we go. Let's go. So let's go and actually set it up. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna have to go ahead and download the application. So let me go do that real quick. It says swipe to skip. So we'll go ahead and just do that for now. But I just kind of want to check it out. This is so cool. And the micro SD card will go right here. Again, if you guys are looking for this one that I got, I'll leave a link down below so y'all can get yours too. Or if you guys are looking for the Osmos, I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours. That definitely helps out the channel grow, guys. So make sure y'all use that link. So let's check this out. This is cool. Swipe from left edge to enter for playback. So it says I don't have any SD card clearly. So video, I'm gonna have to definitely get used to this. Switch it around, so cool. I have to do like a quick how-to, as we've never used this one. Usually just on the GoPro. You set the settings, I'm sure it's something similar. But so you can see right out of the box, freaking awesome. Super excited to get this one used. So you can see, flip that screen over. Now it records YouTube style or TikTok, Instagram, just like that. So now let's go see how it actually records.
All right, just giving you a closer look. We're literally right by the arch right now, and actually from the hotel that we're staying at, we're not that far. We are 13 minutes away from the stadium. As you can see right here, I guess we're downtown. We just passed the Anheuser-Busch brewery, which we will be there in the next 2 days. But look at that, how freaking nice. We've been here once already. We've never been inside of it, but we went by it. Ooh, we're turning. But this is St. Louis's downtown. Very, very nice tall buildings. We did decide to drive to the game. We got really cool seats. It's all inclusive, so they're going to have, the seats have drinks, they have food. We actually did this last time. We got a sweet deal. Shout out SeatGeek. Shout out SeatGeek. Let's see. I know. Like what? Do this? Like this? It only has like a 2. Hazte para, like this way, because like the light. There we go. The light was like giving it a glare. Let me get you with my phone real quick before it gets crazy. That's so huh?
He's growing up.
Look.
See? Free drinks?
Yeah, I'll take one. Thank you. Thank you. ¿Me abres la mía ahorita? ¿Me abres la mía ahorita? Thank you. Dang, right at the door. I was just telling you, I'm like, I'm not sure they're gonna have the drinks. Oh, they're there. There you go. There you go. Whoa.
Hey, when it's cold, it remind me I'm alone and that my heart is made of numbers. I can never say I'm alone. I always did things on my own, but yet I never set the tone. And since I never set the tone, I tend to put it in the song. At the age of 21, it's like I really felt all I ever needed was love, but now I beg for this. And love started to fade the very moment I got richer, like I faded from the pictures, not because I made it serious. And I was told that you would stick around for where you at.
Show without a little dubstep, man. Come on.
Y'all better keep with the movement.
If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. If you guys are looking for a new vlogging camera or just trying to record your vacations, definitely look into this. And I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I get yours. Definitely highly recommend.